Hi, I'm Angie Kellen with MCA. Today, I'm at the second International Solar Energy Technology Conference in Santa Clara, California. The 2010 ISETC is a premier one-day technical conference and exhibition focusing on industry trends and the innovative technologies involved in the efficient use of solar energy. The many speakers and panel members include industry leaders that span the solar energy value chain. While the conference was very busy, I did get a chance to catch up with some of the speakers, and here's what they had to say. I'm here with Shonda Ranson of Nova Workforce Board. Shonda, what's your role at the company?
Well, I am what's called a workforce development analyst, and my job is basically to learn everything I can about the energy sector in Silicon Valley, specifically northern Santa Clara County, and pass the information along to job seekers about trends and potential job openings that are coming up, and also helping them sort of navigate the green space and what training actually leads to jobs and where their skills can transition into jobs.
Shonda, what kind of services do you provide?
Well, Nova, again, covers northern Santa Clara County, so that's Palo Alto, Milpitas, I hope I get all these, Mountain View, Sunnyvale, Los Altos, Santa Clara. I think that was 7, right? It sounds like 7. So what we do is actually we provide people who are unemployed or dislocated workers specifically come into our doors. We're partnered with the Employment Development for the state, and they come in and they get their EDD benefits at our location, which is at the city of Sunnyvale, and then afterwards we actually help them navigate how to get back into jobs. So we provide training, we actually help pay for training, we give workshops to upgrade skills, we give labor market information reports, and we also act as sort of an HR for startups. So startups who don't have the ability to go out and look for people to work in their new companies often come to us and use our business services to help them staff and get started.
I'm here with Michael Kong of King Solarman. Michael, what's your role with the company?
I'm a CEO of King Solarman. We do project development, project finance, and distribution for all renewable energy products, such as solar panel, inverter, mounting, and LED wind turbine.
Michael, your presentation today talked about project development. Can you give us some highlights from all of that?
We want to create as many projects as possible, because every project we bring in a lot of employment. For example, you have a 1 megawatt project, you have to bring in the attorney, the banker, the roofer, the electrician. We create a lot of opportunity for everybody. We create a lot of job. At least kind of a very high unemployment rate is a 14% unemployment rate here, and we want to have a more project, create more opportunity for everybody, and we pay a lot of tax. We start out from 0, but now this year we have a $10 million revenue. Next year we want to do $50 million. That means we're going to hire more people. We're going to spend more money on tax. We're gonna spend more money on banks and also attorney. So we put all the deal together. I'm looking forward for this bright industry.
With me is Tim Keating from Skyline Solar. Tim, what's your role with the company?
Hi, at Skyline Solar, I have the role of Vice President of Marketing and Field Operations. I run product marketing, corporate marketing. Also, I do the field operations role, which is applications engineering, customer support, customer services, and installation support.
Tim, during your presentation today, you talked about high-gain solar. Can you give us some high-level details about what that presentation was about?
Sure. The high-gain solar solution is Skyline's product, which produces electricity for 1 to 500 megawatt plant installations, which would mostly be utility scale or industrial scale power plants. And the key to Skyline is that we use 1/10 the amount of silicon of other solutions, and that allows us to have a lower cost of energy supplied.
I'm here with Paul Hernday of Solmetric. Paul, what's your role with the company?
I'm an applications engineer, so I spend a lot of time looking at what customers require, what will help make their jobs easier, and act as kind of an intermediary between that information and our design engineers. I also work a lot with preparing marketing materials and developing training courses for our customers.
Paul, can you tell me what Solmetric does?
You bet. We provide test equipment and design software for solar installers and also for PV system designers. And our goal is to provide a lot of embedded know-how, a lot of expert know-how in the tools that we provide, so that our customers can focus on other aspects of the job, such as marketing their systems, installing them with the highest quality, knowing that they're going to go in the right place on the roof, designing systems with high quality software so that they'll produce the amount of energy that's expected and things like that. And most recently we're introducing a product that will actually test strings of PV modules in the array after it's installed to verify that the full performance that's been promised is being delivered.
I'd like to thank the organizers of the 2010 ISETC for providing an event with valuable insights and perspectives regarding the solar energy industry. Also, I'd like to thank our speakers and our panelists for their time and their comments today. We hope to see you at the next ISETC. For MCA, I'm Angie Kellen.